All right, class, let's begin. So it says the title. So let's go up to the title. It says the search for the value of pi. Hmm. So based on the title, I predict that this is going to be about them, the people from the past, trying to find the value of pi. So trying to figure out what pi is equal to. Let's continue reading. It says pi is a number used in calculations involving round or nearly round things. Okay. Round things. That reminds me that of the circular shapes that we've been doing. What circular shapes were we doing? Circles. We were working with circles. That's right. Okay. So maybe this has something to do with circles. Let's continue reading. Pi. Oh, sorry. Says it is not a simple whole number. Rather, it is a number with an infinite number of decimal places. Okay. So, a whole number then must mean that it is a number without a decimal. So pi must have a lot of decimals because it says an infinite number of decimal places. If I remember right, the decimal is that period that you put after a number. Then you put numbers after that as well. Okay, I'm starting to get it now. So let's continue reading. It says, for thousands of years, mathematicians have tried to estimate pi as accurately as possible. Ooh, wow. That's crazy. So let's think about this. They've been doing it as accurately as possible, but they've been doing it for thousands of years? That's crazy. Let's keep reading. It says pi is essential to many calculations. For example, it is used to understand the relationship between a circle's radius and its circumference and area. Okay, so where have I heard these words before? I've heard what circumference and area were. When did I do that? I did that just earlier this week. We did that earlier this week. We learned about circumference and area. That's right. So let's keep reading. Maybe it'll tell me more about circumference and area and how it relates to pi. A circle's circumference equals 2 times pi times the radius. Its area equals pi times the radius squared. That's right. These are the formulas for those. Okay. And circumference is the distance around a circle. I remember that now. Awesome. Let's keep reading. Pi itself is equal to the ratio. Okay, so ratio. What does that mean? That's right, ratio means, what does it mean? That's right, I saw a video of this online on the news. They were talking about the ratio of male to female teachers, and they said that there are 3 female teachers for every 1 male student. So that must be what a ratio is. All right, now I get it. Of a circle's circumference to its diameter. It remains constant regardless of the size of a circle. Okay, so now, after reading this, I understand what pi is and how it relates to circles. Awesome.